Hello, hello, dear friends. Welcome to Podcast Your English, episode 59, My Daily Routine in Present Simple.
Hi, everyone. This is Daniel speaking. Eva, are you ready to tell the world how your day really looks?
Absolutely. I love this topic. It's so useful for beginners. We use present simple when we talk about things we do every day, habits, routines.
Exactly. Remember the rule. I, you, we, they plus verb. He, she, it plus verb plus s or es.
And we often add always, usually, often, sometimes, seldom, never, every day, in the morning, at 7 o'clock.
Perfect. Today we share our real routines with all the small, funny moments. Let's start from the very beginning. Eva, tell us honestly, what time do you wake up?
Okay, story time. Every weekday, I wake up at 7:05. Why 7:05 and not 7 o'clock? Because my alarm rings at 7 o'clock, but I press snooze once. 5 more minutes in the warm bed. It feels like heaven. Then at 7:05, the second alarm shouts, "Eva, get up!" And I finally open my eyes.
Haha, classic. I know that feeling. I wake up at 6:35. My alarm is very loud and angry. It says, "Daniel, run or you'll be late forever." So I jump out of bed immediately. No snooze for me.
You're so disciplined. Okay, so I wake up, I sit on the bed for 10 seconds, I stretch my arms like this. Then I stand up. My feet touch the cold floor. Brr. I quickly walk to the window and open the curtains. I look outside. In winter, it's still dark. In summer, the sun smiles at me.
Nice picture. After I wake up, I immediately put on my running shoes. I don't think too much. I just go. I run in the park near my house. The birds sing. Sometimes I see the same old man with his little white dog. We always say good morning to each other. It's a small tradition.
That's sweet. While you run, I go to the bathroom. First thing, I turn on the light. Then I look in the mirror and say quietly, "Good morning, beautiful." Yes, I talk to myself every morning. It makes me smile. Then I brush my teeth. I use mint toothpaste. I brush for 2 minutes. I love the fresh feeling. After that, I wash my face with cold water. Brr, again. But it wakes me up perfectly.
Cold water is the best alarm. After my run, I come back all sweaty. I drink a big glass of water. Then I take a quick shower, 3 minutes maximum. Hot water, nice shower gel with lemon smell. I sing in the shower sometimes, very badly, but nobody hears me.
I sing too, usually one song from my childhood. Okay, after shower, I dry myself with a soft blue towel. I comb my hair. If it's a bad hair day, I put it in a ponytail. Then I get dressed. In winter, warm sweater, jeans, thick socks. In summer, light dress or t-shirt and shorts. I always choose comfortable clothes. I hate when something presses or itches.
Same here. I wear a sports t-shirt and shorts at home, then change to shirt and trousers for work. Now, breakfast time. Eva, what do you eat?
My favorite morning ritual. I go to the kitchen, I put on the kettle. While the water boils, I take a bowl, put 3 spoons of oatmeal, add cinnamon, cut half a banana, pour hot milk. Sometimes I add a little honey. I sit at the small table near the window. I eat slowly and look at the street. People hurry to work, cars drive. Sometimes a cat walks proudly on the fence. I feel calm and happy. And of course, coffee. Strong black coffee with no sugar. It's my fuel.
Sounds delicious. My breakfast is different. After shower, I make 2 fried eggs, 2 pieces of whole grain toast with avocado, a slice of tomato, and a cup of green tea. I eat standing near the kitchen counter because I'm always in a hurry, but I enjoy every bite. The avocado must be perfectly ripe. That's the secret.
One day, my avocado was not ripe. Disaster. I had to eat just eggs. Sad morning. Okay. After breakfast, I brush my teeth again, very important. Then I put on light makeup, mascara, and lip balm. I take my bag, check, phone, yes, keys, yes, wallet, yes, earphones, yes. I kiss my cat goodbye. She looks at me like, "Why do you leave me every day?"
Your cat is dramatic. My dog Max is the opposite. When I put on shoes, he runs in circles and barks, "Take me with you." I say, "Sorry, buddy, today you stay home." Then I leave.
I leave the house at 8:20. I walk to the bus stop. It takes 7 minutes. I walk fast because I don't like to be late. At the bus stop, I usually meet my neighbor, Aunt Olga. She always asks, "Aunt Eva, how's your mother?" We chat 2 minutes and the bus comes. I get on, find a seat near the window if I'm lucky. I put on earphones and listen to English podcasts or music. Sometimes I just look at people and invent stories about them in my head.
Creative. I drive to work. It takes 35 to 45 minutes depending on traffic. I turn on the radio. I like morning shows. They tell jokes, give weather, talk about news. Sometimes I sing along if the song is good. But when there's a traffic jam, I don't sing. I just breathe deeply and say, "It's okay. I still arrive on time."
Positive thinking. I arrive at the office at 9:05. I say good morning to everyone. My desk is near the window. I love it. First thing, I turn on the computer. While it loads, I make tea. Then I check emails. I answer the important ones first. At 10 o'clock, we usually have a short meeting. My boss says, "Good morning, team. What's the plan today?" We discuss tasks. I like my colleagues. We laugh a lot.
I'm a teacher, so my day is different. I arrive at school at 8:45. I prepare the classroom, open windows, put books on the table, write the topic on the board. At 9 o'clock, children come. They say, "Good morning, Mr. Daniel." I answer, "Good morning, superheroes." Then the lesson starts. I explain new words, we read texts, play games, do exercises. Sometimes someone forgets homework and says, "My dog ate it." I laugh and say, "Okay, but tomorrow bring it, please."
Kids are the best excuse makers. Lunchtime, my favorite part. At 13 o'clock, I go to the small cafe near the office. I usually order vegetable soup, chicken salad, and fresh juice. I sit alone or with my friend Anna. We talk about life, boys, plans for the weekend. We laugh so loud that other people look at us.
I eat at school canteen at 12:40. Rice, grilled chicken, cucumber salad, compote. I eat with other teachers. We share stories. Who was naughty today? Whose lesson went great? After lunch, I feel strong again for the afternoon lessons.
In the afternoon, I work more. I write reports, call clients, make presentations. Sometimes I feel tired, so I stand up, walk to the kitchen, drink water, do 5 squats secretly. Nobody sees. At 18 o'clock, I finish. I say, "See you tomorrow," and go to the bus stop. The way home feels longer because I'm tired, but I'm happy the working day is over.
I finish at 17:15. I drive home listening to music. When I arrive, Max jumps on me like I was away for a year. I play with him 10 minutes in the yard. Then I cook dinner.
Dinner time. I come home at 8:50. First, I change into home clothes, soft hoodie and leggings. Then I cook. Yesterday, I made creamy mushroom pasta. I cut onions and cry a little, fry mushrooms, add cream, garlic, parsley. The smell is amazing. I eat at 20 o'clock. Sometimes I eat alone with Netflix. Sometimes my sister comes and we eat together. We talk, laugh, watch funny videos.
I cook stir-fry, vegetables, chicken, soy sauce, rice. My girlfriend helps. She cuts vegetables very fast. We eat at 9:30. After dinner, we wash dishes together. Then I sit on the sofa with Max. He puts his head on my leg. I read a book or watch a series.
In the evening, I relax. At 21 o'clock, I do 15-minute yoga on the mat. I stretch, breathe deeply. My body says, "Thank you." Then I take a warm shower again. After shower, I put on pajamas with little stars. I brush my teeth, drink a glass of water, read 10 to 15 pages of a book, usually something light and positive. At 22:40, I turn off the light. I say to myself, today was good. Tomorrow will be good too. And I fall asleep.
Beautiful ending. I go to bed at 12:10. I set alarm, kiss Max goodnight, turn off the light. I think about the day for 2 minutes, smile, and sleep.
Now, weekends. On Saturday, I don't set alarm. I wake up naturally, usually between 9 and 10 o'clock. I stay in bed 20 minutes, scroll phone, watch funny videos. Then I make big breakfast, pancakes with jam, tea, fruit. I clean the flat slowly, vacuum, wash floors, change bed sheets. In the afternoon, I meet friends. We go to a cafe, walk in the park, take photos.
Saturday for me, active day. I wake up at 8:30, go to the gym, I lift weights, run on treadmill. After gym, big protein shake. Then I visit my parents. Mom always cooks my favorite borscht. We talk for hours. In the evening, football with friends or movie night at home.
Sunday is slower. I sleep till 10, cook lazy breakfast, do laundry, plan the next week, write to-do list. Sometimes I bake cookies. The smell makes the whole house happy. In the evening, I prepare clothes for Monday, pack my bag, and feel ready.
Perfect. Listeners, now it's your turn. Tell us in your mind or out loud. What time do you wake up? Do you press snooze? What do you eat for breakfast? How do you go to work or school? What do you do in the evening? Do you have any funny morning habits?
Practice every day. Say 5 sentences about your morning. I wake up at, I brush my teeth and, I eat blank for breakfast, I go to blank by blank, I feel blank in the morning.
Use negatives too. I don't drink coffee. I never eat fast food in the morning. My sister doesn't wake up early.
Questions for family or friends? What time do you get up? Do you exercise every day? What do you usually do after work?
Today we traveled through a full day in present simple. Morning, breakfast, way to work, work, lunch, evening, bedtime, weekends. Lots of verbs. Wake up, get up, brush teeth, take a shower, get dressed, eat breakfast, drink coffee, leave home, go to work, have lunch, finish work, cook dinner, watch TV, read a book, go to bed. We added always, usually, sometimes, never.
You did a great job listening. Now speak. Record your own daily routine on your phone, 1 to 2 minutes. Listen to it. Smile when you hear your progress. Share with a friend or teacher. Every day you speak, you become better. We are proud of you.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye. Have a wonderful day. Keep smiling and keep speaking English.